Good morning, guys. I am getting ready to go walk the course this morning because we are racing again today. We are down in North Carolina with another club we race with. I haven't seen the course or anything yet, but I will here soon. I'm super excited to be back out on the track. Stephen worked tirelessly getting the car and the truck ready to tow down here, so hopefully it'll be a great day.
Do you know what changes I made to the car?
Probably some camber, because you like to do that.
No, I changed all the springs on the car.
Oh, I did see you taking them off.
So it's going to be stiffer in the front and stiffer in the rear. So we will see how that actually handles. So we got our test day today, basically.
Yeah, okay. So we're testing the springs today too. He made everything stiffer.
Let's go.
It'll be good.
What's going on, everybody? So yeah, as Ashley said in the intro, we are out here at Autocross again, and using this kind of as a little bit of a test and tune, and to try to, you know, block at the championship with this club. I changed the front springs from 400 pounds to 600 pounds, so a big jump there, and then put the 300-pound ones back into the rear. So we'll see how the car feels and how well it's balanced. Don't really know. So getting ready to start our first runs. Let's go. .852, but definitely some cones. I got a little late on that slalom at the end. The car's turning really good, I think. Well, we'll have to give it some more runs to see.
All right, this is my first run. Stephen gave me a few tips from when he was driving, so hopefully I can put that together. And I saw a little bit of the course with drivers on it since I was working earlier. So here we go, first run. So I finished my first run. There was a lot happening, a lot of back and forth on that course. I tried to stay in it in the slalom. I don't think I was fully down, so I'm trying to work up the nerve to do that. The way the club runs this event today, we do 3 runs in the morning. We have a break for lunch, so we'll probably go over some of the data and look at it, and then 4 runs in the afternoon. So I have time to work on it, but that was pretty crazy.
Going up for my second run. This course is really going to need some looking ahead. So something that I should know by now, but something that I always need to work on. But yeah, we'll see what we can do on this one. Hopefully stay clean. .945, so it dropped off a second. I think that was clean. Definitely noticing more understeer. It kind of wanted to oversteer in the sweeper, but trying to do turning, it's definitely kind of more feeling a little more understeer, I think. But I think it's progress. That was a good run though.
All right, I'm about to start my second run. I got a 60 on the last run on my first one, but I hit a cone, so it added 2 seconds, so I got a 62. I got a lot of time to take back, so I'm just gonna push myself, do my best, try to be on the gas more. So here we go, see how I do. Gotta catch my breath after that one. Whew. All right, well, I got down to a 58, so I shaved 2 seconds off of my time from the last run. I really tried to push myself in the slalom and the sweeper, so I feel like that was a pretty good run. My start was also better too, so I'm happy with that. Gotten 58. See if I can get down maybe 55. We'll see.
All right, run number 3, aka last run for the morning session. We split it up into a morning and afternoon session. So last run was faster, but I lost a ton of time on like this first turn. So I need to make sure that I can that I do that much better this time. Need to slow down or something for that one, and then push everywhere else. 698. That was a little sketchy at the braking into the finish. Man, that was a rip. Hopefully that was clean. We'll have to see. We'll have to make sure that that is clean. Whew.
He's been working hard.
He's got tough pack, so.
Proud of him. All right, last run of the morning. I just gave the course designer kudos because yes, there's some technical spots and you do have to brake, but that's important. But it's really fun and I feel like I'm pushing myself to be on the throttle more, and there's places that I can do that. So it's been a good day so far. Try and go and put down a good time.
We are halfway through, so we're taking a lunch break. So we had the first and second heat in the morning, and we'll repeat the first and second heat in the afternoon. So we had 3 runs, then we'll have 3 to 4 in the afternoon. How do you like it?
I told the course designer that it was an awesome course and it was fun. It was technical in some places, but I liked the back and forth. It was much smoother than it's been in the past. And I liked the slalom before the sweeper because you could stay in it.
Yeah, it's
and
fast.
It's really fast there. It's
like
really
60
fun.
miles an hour right there before going into that sweeper.
Yep.
Yeah, so we got to look at the data a little bit to try to see where we can improve. So a lot of it is holding the throttle longer.
And earlier.
And getting on it earlier. There's places, you know, through the slalom or other places that you can pick up the throttle a little bit earlier. Right now, I'm sitting really good. I'm sitting top in packs right now and 3rd in raw behind a CSP Miata. So we'll see if anybody else can improve in the afternoon, or if I can improve in the afternoon. Might switch up a car. Switch with another driver potentially for a couple runs. We'll see. Another Mustang, but yeah, halfway through the day, second half coming up.
All right, guys, I'm back and about to race for the afternoon. We looked at the data like you saw, and I've got some places that I need to push it, so I'm gonna give it my best shot. It's been a really fun day. Hopefully, I can put myself in at least the top 3. There we go. 1.5 seconds, but I'll take it. That was awesome. I feel like I'm pushing it more, and I'm getting on it sooner, trying to stay in it. My sweeper felt faster, so hopefully I can keep improving.
So we are in a different SN95. This one is much closer to stock suspension and engine wise. So we will see how well we can do in this one. happy, I think.
All right, this is my last run of the day. I want a 56. So I'm gonna try to be more aggressive in the middle. Day. I missed racing. I needed that. I got a 56.7. I really hope it was clean. I think I might hit a cone though. Whew. But either way, I'm super proud of myself. 56, that's a good time. So awesome day, pushing myself more and more, and I get to race again tomorrow.
Ladies, 5 entrants. 3rd place, Ashley Griffin. 2nd place, Melissa Fair. 1st place, Haley Smith. Cam T, 2 competitors. 2nd place, George Balance. 1st place, Steve Reiner. John 5, Nate Fernandez. 4, Randall Calder. 3rd, Jeff Smith. 2nd, Chase Helm. 1st, top packs for today, Steve Ryan. 1994 Ford Mustang.
Hey, that's my boyfriend. Woo, 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 woo. Good job, babe.
Raw time. 5th, Rex Loading, 2003 Corvette, 54.446. Number 4, Steve Fair, 2010 Porsche Boxer, 54.225. 3rd, Steve Reiner, the 94 Ford Mustang at a 53698.
Yeah, baby.
2nd, Haley Smith, 95 Mazda Miata, 52948.
Yeah!
This is embarrassing. It's embarrassing when I look at my time and I look at some of these.
Don't worry about it.
Top raw time today, Jeff Smith, 95 Miata Mustang. Miata, 51.485. 485.
Wow.